Hey guys, welcome to my channel today. Are you in a position where you want to buy real estate, but your current situation doesn't allow you to qualify for mortgages? If that's the case, please watch this video. I'm going to give you a simple but practical recipe for you to follow. And then once you do follow, you're going to set yourself up for success and eventually be in a position where you can qualify for mortgages. So the recipe is called ICEP. It stands for income, credit, equity, and property. So I'm going to break down each part for you so you will have a good understanding of what you need to do. So first is income. All the institutional lenders will need to see your income before they give you a mortgage, be it employment income or self-employed income. With employments here in Canada, they're actually pretty straightforward. As long as you can provide your employment letter, your pay stub, showing that you're done with your probation, we can move forward with your mortgage application. Now, if you're self-employed, we can still definitely work with that. You need to establish your business for minimum 3 months and show a good amount of cash flow on your business bank statement. That means you need to deposit all your revenue into a business account. At the same time, minimize the expenses so that your net income looks bigger, and we can use this net income to project an annualized income for yourself. Now, if you're in a position that you're not getting any type of employment income or self-employed income, then there's a good chance we have to go with a private lender. The second part is credit. We can work with any type of credit situation from 400 up to 900. If you ever had a collection, consumer proposal, or even bankruptcy, we do have some institutional options for you. Most of the lenders, for your information, are looking for credit score of 680 and plus. So if your credit score isn't in the best shape right now due to whatever reason, please go and watch my previous video and follow that specific recipe and use that to improve your credit score. The third part we need to talk about is the down payment. So guys, here in Canada, if you want to buy a property, you need a down payment. The down payment can come from different sources, for example, your own savings, gifted money from your family, borrowed money from your credit accounts, such as your line of credit, installment loan, and so on and so forth. If you're thinking about buying property, start saving please, because there are also other costs associated with closing, for example, legal cost, land transfer tax. In the city of Toronto, you also need to pay municipal tax, so it's actually double tax. So make sure you budget all these costs into your saving. The last part we need to speak about is the property itself. The property to the lender is their collateral and their security, and they are only going to give you a mortgage if the property is up to their requirement. That means if you're buying a distressed property, there's a good chance you need a private lender to help you close on the acquisition. Most of the institutional lenders, they're looking for properties that's in a good location and also in good condition, or at least above average. If you're buying underperforming or distressed properties, go and watch another video of mine. It's gonna show you how you can finance these distressed properties. So that is actually all for this recipe. Make sure you follow this recipe. Again, it's income, credit, equity, and a property. Follow this recipe and you're gonna put yourself in a good position to eventually qualify and buy more real estate. As always, if you like our content, if you're finding value here, please support us by like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching and see you next time.